Hello students, welcome back to our second video. In the first video, we learned about the first chapter. We went through the MCQs of the first chapter, that is characteristics and evolution of the computer. In this video, we are going to learn more about data devices. We are going to study the MCQs of the data devices chapter, that is your second chapter. So let's get started. So we'll start with the MCQs of the second chapter, that is the data devices. The first MCQ is the devices through which data and instructions are fed into the computer are called dash. Your options are input devices, output devices, storage devices, and all of this. The answer is input devices. Students, the answers are colored in orange. The next one is an input device converts the data and instruction to electrical dash. Your options are signals, symbols, signs, all of this. The answers is signals, that is the C1. The next one is input devices are used to enter data directly into dash. Calculator, computer, all of this, none of this. Obviously it will be computer. The devices used to point and select option on the monitor screen is dash. Your option is speaker, pointing device, input device, output device. The answer is pointing device, because they point particular thing on the monitor. That's the reason they are known as pointing device. The best pointing device is the mouse. Input device includes dash, keyboard, mouse, scanner, all of this. The answer is all of this. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, all are input devices. A graphic tablet is a dash. Output device, input device, storage device, all of this. A graphic tablet is a input device. An image using a special pen is called as dash. Trackball, joystick, stylus, none of this. The answer is stylus. The next one is a touch screen is a computer display screen. Recognize dash. Input device, output device, storage device, touch input. Obviously the touch screen recognize the touch input. It recognize your touch. The device that is used to get output from the computer is called dash. Storage device, input device, output device, all of this. The answer is output device. VDU stands for dash. Visual display unit, video device unit, both A and B, and the last option is none of this. The answer is visual display unit. VDU stands for visual display unit. The next one, a visual display unit, that is a VDU, is similar to a TV screen that can display dash, text, graphic image, both A and B. The last option is none of this. The answer is both A and B. That means VDU, that is the visual display unit, displays both text and graphic images. A VDU is also known as dash. Options are monitor, speaker, printer, all of this. The answer is monitor. Monitor is also known as your visual display unit. The next MCQ is a printer provides output in a permanent readable form on a dash. Paper, transparent film, both A and B, none of this. The answer is both A and B. The printed output is called dash. Soft copy, hard copy, all of this, none of this. The answer is hard copy. Printers are of two types. Options are impact printers, non-impact printers, both A and B, and the last option is all of this. The answer is both A and B. That means printers are of two types. The first one is impact printer and the second one is non-impact printer. The last one is example of impact printers are dash, dot matrix, daisy wheel, line printers? The answer is all of these. All the three are examples of impact printers. Examples of non-impact printers are dash inkjet printers, laser printers, both A and B, and the last option is none of this. The answer is both A and B. That means inkjet printers and laser printers are the example of non-impact printers. The storage capacity of the computer is called dash memory, input device, output device, all of this. The answer is memory. A computer works on 2 digits. Options are 0, 1, 2, and the last option is both A and B. The answer is both A and B. Students, I told you first also that computer understands only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. So it works on only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Next one is 0 and 1 digits are called dash binary digits, bits, both A and B. The last option is none of this. The answer is both A and B. Both 0 and 1, they are called as binary digits as well as bits. A bit is the smallest dash. Options are chunk of information, memory, all of this, none of this. A bit is a smallest chunk of information. The next one is 8 bits make up a dash byte, memory, bit, all of this. The answer is byte. Computer memory are dash primary memory, read only memory, secondary memory, all of this. That means all the three are the types of memory, that is primary memory, read only memory, and secondary memory. The next one is primary memory is also called as dash internal memory, external memory, read only memory, or all of this. It is called as internal memory. The full form of RAM is dash. Options are random access memory, run only memory, write only memory, and all of this. The answer is random access memory. The full form of RAM is random access memory. The next one is RAM is also called as dash read memory, write memory, both A and B, none of this. RAM is also called as read and write memory. The next one is the full form of ROM is dash run only memory, read only memory, write only memory, and none of this. The answer is read only memory. Memory that contains its content even when the power is turned off is known as dash RAM, ROM, non-volatile memory, all of this. The answer is non-volatile memory. Secondary memory is also called as dash external memory, auxiliary memory, internal memory, both A and B. Secondary memory is also called as both A and B, that is external memory as well as auxiliary memory. The examples of secondary memory are dash. Options are floppy disk, hard disk, CDs, all of this. All the three are the examples of secondary memory. The full form of CD is dash complete disk, compact disk, cum disk, all of this. The answer is compact disk. The full form of DVD is dash digital video disc, digital versatile disc, both A and B, and the last option is none of this. The answer is both A and B. That means digital video disc as well as digital versatile discs. A flash drive is a dash input device, output device, storage device, all of this. The answer is all of this. Students, the best example of flash drive is the USB drive or your pen drive. Now students, pen drive can be used as input device as well as output device and also as storage device. The next one is a Blu-ray disc stores more data than a dash. Option CD, DVD, both A and B, none of this. The answer is both A and B. The output on VDU is called as dash. Hard copy, soft copy, all of this, none of this. The answer is soft copy. Students, don't get confused. The output from the printer is called as hard copy, and the output on a VDU, that is visual display unit, that is your monitor, is called as soft copy. A speaker is a dash. Input device, all of this. Output device, none of this. The answer is the output device. A byte is denoted by dash. BI, BT, B, byte. The answer is B. The byte is denoted by the word B. The next one is touchscreens are used in dash. ATM, tablets, memory, both A and B. Obviously the answer is both A and B because the touchscreens are used in the ATM as well as tabs. So students, in the second video we learned the MCQs of the second chapter, that is data devices. I hope you all understood it. This video was just a revision as well as you all got the notes for both the chapters. So I hope you all understood it, you all do remember it and study it. Thank you.